Did you plug in your USB drive but nothing popped up on your Windows, not even a pop-up like, hey, I'm connected? Today I'm going to show you how to fix it very quick and easy without formatting anything, which means removing all data. The first thing you need to do is to put it in your PC. So right now I put the USB stick in my PC and you can see a notification right here that I want to add it. If you don't have anything like this, make sure to open your Windows Explorer with Windows key and E, and after opening this, make sure that there is another drive connected. You can also plug it out of your PC just to check if it works or not. If nothing happens after doing this, make sure you right click here on Start, then go to Disk Management. After going here, if you see something like this without the letters you see right here, that means you only have to assign a drive letter. Very easily, right click on the disk right here and change drive letter and paths. After doing this, just add a new one and then assign the following drive letter. So I will remove mine so it will work. Change drive letter and paths, add, then assign a drive letter. You can choose whatever you want. Just click on OK and now it should be popping up just like that. It's also possible you have something like this and it is fully this black color. This means that there is no partition added to your drive. A partition is used to use spaces of the disk. And if you don't assign that, it doesn't know which storage to use. So it just keeps saying nothing because you ask it for nothing. So right here I have an example, it is unlocated. So right click on it, then create a new simple volume, click on next, then click on next, assign a drive letter so it can be working, and then give it a name, for example USB drive. There you go, and perform a quick format so it is supported in this file system so your PC can actually read it. Click on next and then click on finish. After doing this, your drive should actually be working, and otherwise there's a problem with your USB drive. So these are steps to actually start using a new USB drive. But there's also a chance that your USB drive is corrupted, and we can actually test this and try to fix some file system errors on the drive. So right here my USB has the drive letter assignment D, and you can see this right here. Right now just replace the E right here with your drive letter, and then this is going to check your disk on the USB. Make sure to do this in CMD. So very easily, click on the start menu right here, type CMD and run as administrator. After doing this, copy it right here and then choose the drive letter that is yours, just like this. So while you're typing it over, make sure that you check out our merch, which is available at thephonus.nl/shop. And this is actually my favorite t-shirt. If you have typed it over, we're going to continue. So right here, I'm going to press enter. It's actually going to check my whole drive, and you can see that here with the clusters and all is checking and sectors of the drive itself. It's going to let you know this, so just let this run in the background. What we can also try is troubleshoot from Windows itself. But this is of course something that has a low chance of working, and that's why I'm putting it at the end of the video. Just type troubleshoot in the start menu right here and go to troubleshoot settings. After doing this, click on other troubleshooters and make sure you find hardware and devices. So exactly like this, hardware and devices. There are also apps to actually solve your USB problems, but let's first check if this was it. If you have any more questions, just comment down below, and if you still have any problems with your USB drive, just contact us in the comments and we'll react to you pretty quickly. We love responding to all your comments, and make sure you subscribe to the channel while you're already down there, because the more subscribers we get, the better the videos will eventually become. Also, the company will increase and it will be more people to hire and everything like that. So very amazing educational content. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.